2025 Ford Bronco Raptor, the king of off-roaders. 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor. Bronco Raptor EcoBoost V6. Off-road SUV 2025. Fox Live Valve Shocks. 37-inch all-terrain tires. Ford G.O.A.T modes. Trail Turn Assist. Sync 4 touchscreen off-road features. Ford's high-performance SUV lineup reaches new heights with the 2025 Bronco Raptor, a purpose-built off-roader designed to dominate desert dunes, rock-strewn trails, and everything in between. Sporting the most aggressive stance and potent powertrain in the Bronco family, the Raptor aims to dethrone the Ram TRX as the ultimate factory-built trail machine. But does it live up to its "King of Off-Roaders" billing? We took one for a spin across varied terrain to find out. Rugged powertrain, EcoBoost Unleashed. At the heart of the Bronco Raptor lies a specially tuned 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, producing 418 horsepower and 440 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and standard 4x4 with twin-lock front and rear differentials, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, astounding for a 6,200 lb SUV. The turbocharged V6's broad torque curve delivers immediate power off the line, while the transmission's quick shifts and dedicated Raptor mode optimize throttle mapping for heart-racing acceleration. Unmatched off-road hardware. Ford outfits the 2025 Raptor with industry-leading off-road components. Fox Live Valve Shocks with internal bypass technology adjust damping in real time, providing up to 14 inches of will travel for bone-jarring terrains. Massive 37-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires wrap 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, ensuring grip in sand, mud, and gravel. A 31:1 crawl ratio, electronic trail turn assist, and G.O.A.T modes, goes over any type of terrain, tailor the Raptor's behavior to conditions like baja, rock crawl, and mud/ruts. Protective skid plates, heavy-duty tow hooks, and a high-mount front camera complete the off-road arsenal. Interior, rugged comfort and tech. Inside the cabin, the Bronco Raptor balances toughness with modern comforts. Vibrant race-inspired seats, G.O.A.T stitched accents, and exposed metal trim reinforce its adventurous character. A large 12-inch A24 touchscreen anchors the dashboard, offering intuitive navigation, off-road data logging, and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Ford Copilot 360 cameras and sensors provide 360-degree terrain views, while features like one-pedal driving and retraceable roof panels add versatility for both on-road and off-road use. Driving impressions, Desert King. In high-speed desert runs, the Bronco Raptor feels majestic, effortlessly plowing over washboard roads and leaping across sandy expanses. The live valve shocks adapt instantaneously, soaking up 80 miles per hour jumps with confidence. On tighter trails, electronic trail turn assist tightens the turning circle, and the 4x4 system claws through rocky climbs. Though its EPA estimated 14 miles per gallon combined and limited on-road civility, stern ride on pavement, underscore its off-road bias, the Raptor remains remarkably refined for such extreme capability. Verdict: rain confirmed. The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor stakes a powerful claim as the new king of off-roaders. With its potent EcoBoost V6, unrivaled suspension technology, and purpose-built trail features, it outperforms nearly every factory SUV in off-road scenarios. While its high price, starting around $90,000, thirst for fuel, and on-road stiffness may deter some buyers, enthusiasts seeking the ultimate out-of-the-box adventure machine will find the Raptor hard to beat.